I'm Nick, Casa CEO, Zach from our advisor team. Zach talks to clients all the time. We always get the same questions, so we just wanted to answer those questions in a lightning fast question round. Starting off, so how does my spouse access my Bitcoin?
Well, first thing is probably making sure they're on board with it, because I find the most successful couples that are Bitcoin holders are ones that do it together and it's a team effort. That's okay if they're not though, because with Casa's new inheritance program, we've got a very user-friendly, non-technical way and a confident path to recover. Our new inheritance product allows you to invite a spouse by email. It doesn't have to be a spouse, but typically that's what we'll see. And this person will get an encrypted version of that mobile QR code and will be used with Casa's recovery key to get to that 2 of 3 threshold to access funds. We've also got our client support team to walk them through it. The 3 of 5 structure, there's an added benefit where not only do they have to have this mobile key, but there has to be something that you physically gave them. So this adds a level of physical defense and protection to this structure. Whereas let's say something were to happen and your mobile devices were compromised. So in either case, we also have shared accounts at the premium tier where it can actually be a co-owned account between husband and wife, and then can delegate a third-party recipient, let's say a trustee or another family member, to really have a strong and redundant security model. But at the end of the day, using Casa, especially for a spouse that maybe isn't on board with the Bitcoin train yet, it's exactly what we designed. The type of customer we designed it for was that non-technical family member that may have to learn a lot about Bitcoin with high consequence in a short amount of time.
So a shared account would be like sharing a bank account while you're alive, whereas the inheritance feature is like setting up a beneficiary for your bank account.
Exactly.
Maybe they can't access it while you're alive, but they get access to it after you pass away.
Exactly. And it just depends on what suits your needs, whether you both want to have joint access to it or whether you just simply want that to be transferred to the spouse upon passing.